Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's a bad Tinder date. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, and trust me, it's going to be a wild ride. On my left, we have the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, and on my right, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. It's the battle of the printers, and only one can come out on top. Or can they? Let's find out. Alright, let's talk money. The Kobra 2 Neo is priced at a cool $279. That's like 3 months of Netflix, or one night out if you live in New York. On the other hand, the Neptune 4 Plus is a whopping $599. That's more like a year's worth of Netflix and a subscription to every other streaming service. So if you're on a budget, the Kobra 2 Neo is already looking like your new best friend. Reviewers appreciate the Kobra 2 Neo for being budget-friendly while still offering decent performance. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus, despite its higher price, is praised for its advanced features and build quality. Speed demons, listen up! The Kobra 2 Neo boasts a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second, but recommends 150 mm per second for best results. It's like a sports car that's fast but doesn't want you to crash. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus is over here flexing with a top speed of 500 mm per second and a default of 250 mm per second. It's the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Speed-wise, Neptune 4 Plus takes the gold, but remember, with great speed comes great responsibility, and possibly more filament spaghetti. Reviewers find the Neptune 4 Plus to be incredibly fast, but note that it requires a bit of a learning curve to manage effectively. The Kobra 2 Neo, while slower, is considered more user-friendly for beginners. Size matters, folks. The Kobra 2 Neo has a decent build volume, but look at the Neptune 4 Plus with its 12.59 inches x 12.59 inches x 15.15 build area. You can print bigger models or, an army of tiny Yodas. If you're a go big or go home person, Neptune 4 Plus is your jam. Reviewers love the Neptune 4 Plus for its large build volume, which allows for more ambitious projects. The Kobra 2 Neo, while smaller, is still appreciated for its compact size and efficiency. Next up, extruders and cooling systems. The Kobra 2 Neo has a newly upgraded extrusion system with a 60W hot end and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It's like having a mini wind turbine attached to your printer. The Neptune 4 Plus, however, has a dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio and a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle. Plus, it's got double-sided cooling fans. Neptune 4 Plus is basically a 3D printer with its own built-in air conditioning. Cool, right? Reviewers highlight the Kobra 2 Neo's efficient cooling and extrusion, making it great for high-quality prints at a budget. The Neptune 4 Plus, on the other hand, is lauded for its advanced cooling and extrusion features, making it ideal for more complex projects. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're like me and struggle with IKEA furniture. The Kobra 2 Neo offers LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, which is like having a personal assistant to make sure everything's perfect. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus has all sorts of connectivity options like Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN, plus one-key file transfer. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. So, if you want to avoid the headache and stress, both have got you covered, but Neptune 4 Plus might just edge it out with those extra features. Reviewers find the Kobra 2 Neo to be incredibly user-friendly and easy to set up, making it perfect for beginners. The Neptune 4 Plus, while more complex, offers a range of features that experienced users will appreciate. Overall, reviewers find the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo to be a fantastic budget option that is easy to use and delivers good print quality. It's especially well suited for beginners. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus, while more expensive, offers advanced features and a larger build volume, making it ideal for more experienced users who need a higher level of performance. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is a budget-friendly speedster, while the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is a high-speed, high-volume beast that might just make your wallet cry a little. Which one's right for you? That depends on your needs and, well, your bank account. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick, or if you think we missed any crucial details. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future product showdowns. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.